Thank you for joining me for today's guided meditation. As we sink into today's practice, the intention is to cultivate powerful beliefs and to expand our energy into a higher frequency. Today, as you are guided inward, you will have an opportunity to commune with your guides and also receive powerful affirmations. Set the stage now for all you intend to cultivate in this practice. Finding space where you can enjoy solitude for the next 20 minutes without interruptions. Placing headphones on or listening on a device that allows you to hear both the healing frequency in the background and my voice. Lying flat on your back or sitting with your spine erect in a meditative position. Both positions allow you for optimum energy flow. As you settle into your practice, begin by bringing the attention to your breath. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. With every breath you take, sinking deeper and deeper into a state of relaxation, allowing your mind to become clear and your heart to be filled with peace as you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Every breath aligning you with universal consciousness and the heartbeat of your soul. As you breathe, envision yourself walking down a beautiful, iridescent white bridge. The energy of this bridge feels exquisite. You feel clear, powerful, connecting easily with your higher consciousness. Breathing in this delicious energy as you continue to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Walking down this bridge as a powerful red energy swirls around you, grounding you into the earth as your root chakra fully aligns, creating deep safety and stability within. Breathing in this red energy as it swirls into a vibrant orange, aligning your second chakra as you sink in to this nurturing life force energy and surrender to all that you are. A beautiful yellow now takes its place, creating a powerful buzz in your system as your third chakra aligns and activates. This power center helps you cultivate your heart's desires in living form. A beautiful green now swirls around you, opening you to the frequency of love as your heart chakra aligns and activates. This powerful frequency from which you were created allows you to both give and receive in perfect harmony, seeing yourself and others as the pure vessel of love they are. A bright blue energy now falls upon you as you feel a desire for authentic expression. Your throat chakra aligns and activates, allowing you to speak your authentic truth without fear as you stand in this integrity and power. A beautiful indigo blue now drapes over you, activating and aligning your third eye chakra, opening you to the beautiful wisdom of the universe that dwells within you. This beautiful energy allows you to sense from every aspect of your being, to come into clear understanding for what always has been and will be. And a powerful violet energy now pours down through your crown, awakening you to the full potential of your divinity. As your crown chakra fully activates and aligns, you sink into the energy of alignment, fully connected to the cosmos and grounded into the earth, your power center fully awakened, your heart space the bridge between worlds. As you sink in to this alignment energy, you find yourself back on the beautiful, iridescent white bridge. This bridge allows you to walk in the realm of high consciousness, where all of the lower parts of yourself are dissolved. As you walk down this bridge, stepping in to the realm of higher consciousness, you create space to bring back with you powerful beliefs about your abilities, gifts, and talents on earth. As you step through this portal, you see a powerful group of your ancestors and guides leading the way. Today, they will share with you a powerful message to help you release the limiting beliefs and perspectives that keep you from standing in your fullest potential. As these beliefs are released, you will be given powerful new codes that will align you with your highest frequency. As you sink in to this divine message, allow all to be still as you are shown what can be released now and what will take its place. The time now is yours to listen and be. these guides and ancestors this frequency at any time in your living reality. As you sink in to this alignment with your new beliefs replacing the old, allow yourself to expand to hold more of all you desire. As you breathe into your being, listen to the following phrases. Repeat them in your mind's eyes and know them to be true. I am worthy. I am the embodiment of pure love. I am Christ consciousness in human form. I am powerful. Miracles happen through me each day. I align with the frequency of wealth. I am open and willing to receive all that is meant for me and more. I am a pure vessel of divine light. I operate from my highest truth. I take aligned action according to my divine will. I am capable of all I put my mind to. When I live from my divine mind, miracles happen for me. I am love. I am light. I am everything and nothing. As you breathe into this knowing, allow the energy and truth of this message to take up acreage in your being, planting deep roots of wisdom and knowing. As you exit this beautiful portal and find yourself back on the pure iridescent white path, standing on the path now fully aligned, intentionally bringing this message and clarity with you into your waking reality. Every step you take down the path leads you back into this present moment, back into your body, fully grounded in your truth. As you breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth, allowing this light frequency to encompass your being. As you wiggle your fingers and toes, making the conscious connection between your vessel and your highest state of consciousness, choosing to embody both fully, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you are ready, open your eyes.